Okay, world, here we go with the cleaning of the grill for first starts and removal. So vacuum cleaner is going on, so turn your speakers down if you have them up. Anyways, use the little furry head again, okay? And then just like this. Take off as much of the rough material as possible. Okay. Clean it up. Okay. Sit with that, and then leave the two top screws. Take those out last, and then take out your screws. They're called they're 1/4 inch. They use a 1/4 inch nut driver on use a little 1/4 inch nut driver. You can use a hand, or I use a drill. Just be very gentle, you know. And anyways, take your screws and put them back in the corner here so you don't kick them around. Alright, and that's a start, and I'll show you in a minute. I got to take the rest of it off.